There you are, Topham. I found you. Whoa! Could you pass me some toilet paper, please? What happened here? Gordon was chortling along with the express. I am the fastest. What was that? Cried Gordon. Thomas raced straight through the docks and onto the old pier rail. I want to stop, he cried. And he did. Thomas landed straight into Bulstrode. Bust my buffers, he cried. Thomas shot along the water. He crashed straight into a rock and flew off down a hill and straight into a stack of bushes. Help! Thomas continued on his journey. He flew straight into a tunnel and suddenly found himself back on some old railway track. Oh my, he cried. He whooshed straight down a hill and straight up another. It's a rocky track. Hang on a minute. He crashed through a wall of bushes and saw a huge bridge in front of him. Of course! This is the rickety old bridge to find your way back. I have nearly completed the quest. Ha! It's not all bad. In fact, it's not hard at all. Thomas stopped straight in the middle of the bridge. He had no one to control him. Thomas's platform was slowly disappearing. Oh! Harold pulled Thomas as hard as he could. Just in time,